Ooh, it's a chilly one today. Dude, check out the super sick Supra. Looks like he's got like the FIA, what is it, FIA rain light, I think? It looks so sick. All right, last track day of the season. Let's make it count by, you know, not dying and putting it into a wall. It looks like we had a little bit of rain yesterday, but hopefully the track isn't too slick.
Watch my throttle application in the bottom left. I barely even touched the throttle there. This cold and wet weather is no joke.
Oh man, it's wet and damp and cold. Today. Whoa. In the drivers meeting, they were saying how, oh, they had a race yesterday and a lot of the oils and stuff are coming up from the rain. I can barely touch the throttle. It's cold. Literally about to be me. Starting to get some heat in these tires. Starting to feel the grip. Still gonna take it easy, it's not worth it. Dude, the transmission, the gears are not shifting. Jesus. Hopefully the track dries out a little. Camaro though. Ooh, no braking on the curves, got it.
forgot to lift, so it is time to send it down the inside. I couldn't see him in the mirrors at all, so I just gave him extra room on the outside just in case he stayed there.
When did that happen? I actually went to bed at like a reasonable midnight last night. Woke up at 5:30. Normally I get like, I swear, 3 hours of sleep. But dude, 5 is feeling real good. The track really started to liven up towards the end, or maybe I just started to trust it, but really happy with that 32.6. I think I was just committing a lot more, even though there's a ton of room to find. I think in turn 5, I don't know what it is. I'm trail braking and the car just absolutely breaks loose there. Very pleased with that 32.6. Alright, so let's watch that again in slow motion. You can see me trail braking here just a little bit too much, carrying too much speed, and the rear kicks out, which happens a lot here. So I'm able to manage it pretty good with just a little bit of throttle, and then for some reason I just absolutely booted it and sent it into yet another slide, which looked very cool, I'm sure, from the back. I'm sure that Camaro got a very cool show. I did say I get loose there, huh? Camaro that led us by earlier is actually catching us again. Let's see if we can hold him off for a few more corners while we're on a quick lap. Hard to point by through here, so I'm gonna try and let him by on the straight, as if that's optional. 32.1 is not something I do today, which just of course means I can do a 31 somehow. Unfortunate. Bad timing.
That's honestly such a tough place to catch somebody. That definitely would have been a 131, and unfortunately, that's the only time during the course of the day that I really had a shot at getting that 131.
I know to make up the time, I just need to clean lap, don't be dumb. Dude, I think I'm done here. Running low on gas, running low on will, to be honest. Dude, a 32.1 with potential for a 31.9, I think it was. That's seriously impressive. This car loves the cool weather, I'll tell you what. There's so much room to clean up things, but if you don't nail turn 1 and 2, oh man, your lap's essentially over. Oh no, what happened?
That corner, I got a pretty average exit, nothing really to write home about, but check out my speed differential in the top right of my phone just from getting a draft. I end up hitting 123, which I think is my fastest speed down the straight here by around 3 miles per hour, and we end up gaining 3/10 just from that alone.
Ooh, a little slow here.
Alright guys, and that was my last track day of 2024. Hopefully you enjoyed the footage as much as I enjoyed making it. I think next up we're probably going to do some data analysis of this lap. I've never actually made a tutorial like I planned on doing it like 2 years ago. You know, since it's the winter, it's in the off season, I have nothing to do but look at my old laps. So probably show you guys how to export your laps from Race Chrono and then import them into Circuit Tools. So then you can do a little bit of analysis and then pick apart your best sectors. I already started editing that video a little bit, so I should be able to stitch together my best sectors and show you guys what's what, how I would have been able to get to 131, and how you could do something similar for yourself. It's not too hard. Hopefully it's not too nerdy for you guys. I'm a huge data nerd, so I think it's great. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Peace.